turning around the Hillman Imp.
No, reverse.
Right, and reverse isn't working, is it? So we'll push it back.
Let's push it back, yeah. It hasn't been too bad.
Yeah, no, no, lovely day as well.
Having you in the car.
Nice spring day as well, yeah, at least we all fit in here. Spring day here.
Sure have this, like I say, that should be
On the outskirts of Worcester.
I've got to fix that.
Right, yeah, I can see what you mean, yeah. Some new houses there as well.
I got the windscreen so it didn't leak.
Right, good.
Found out at the church.
That's a start then. Yeah.
Silicon sealant.
Yeah.
And we clean it with methylated.
Jaguar Defender, there we are, Land Rover Defender, there we are. Very practical workhorse, isn't it, the Land Rover Defender? Big workhorse there. Well, the short wheelbase, should we say. Building everywhere now, aren't they, as well?
Yeah.
Right. Some cars coming here. Getting busy for school traffic now, isn't it?
That's why, one of the reasons why I didn't want
Right, you'll be okay after this one, but there's a bus coming on if you'll really get out or not.
One more coming this way.
Yeah. We're okay now, actually, I think we're probably okay. There we are.
Right.
Off we go in the Hillman Imp. Complete with the bare wires there.
Yeah.
Neil's handiwork at putting a few modern features into it, is that?
Couldn't see the girls, some of them their eyes.
Did you put some you put the cigarette lighter in and the clocks, did you? Did you put a heated rear screen in, didn't you, or something at some time?
Yeah, I had one working at one time. It's
Right.
to say a lot of things I could get
Modern features.
determined. Because I need someone to coach me a bit.
More building.
Because it's just me.
Yeah. Vauxhall garage.
That's how I build all these houses going up around here.
Yeah, the building of the place aren't going mad, aren't they?
I mean, I don't think Hallow's been as bad as... don't think they've done Hallow as bad as some places.
No, it's just that only people make the money as developers, isn't it? Because there's nothing affordable, as they say. That's just a con, really.
Yeah. You know,
I mean, no affordable flats or anything for the young people.
Have you ever been to Winchcombe, Gloucestershire?
Yes, once.
The place in the Cotswolds.
Yeah.
It's absolutely bloody houses.
They all go, yeah, it's madness, isn't it? Yes. It's, build higher flats, really, you know, that, communities like that, perhaps, rather than desecrating everywhere with all these single story and, you know, just houses all round all over the place.